Wow. That is definitely. What's up guys? कैसे हैं आप लोग सब? Welcome to my channel. सलमान is here. क्या हाल चाल है? तो आज एक नई स्टोरी फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ अपने एक दोस्त के साथ जिसका नाम है जेरी. जेरी है स्पेनिश, ठीक है. तो इसे स्पेनिश बोलने वाला आदमी है वो. तो उसको लेनी है गाड़ी. तो उसने मुझे बोला साथ चलने के लिए. तो हम जा रहे हैं गाड़ी लेने. अब जब गाड़ी लेने जाएंगे तो आपको बताएंगे किस डीलर में गए और कौन सी गाड़ी लेने जा रहे हैं. गाड़ी जो लेने जा रहे हैं वो है मेरी फेवरेट. तो मेरा जाना तो बनता है ना. साथ में रहो, थोड़ी देर में पता लग जाएगा कहाँ जा रहे हैं, कौन सी गाड़ी लेने जा रहे हैं और आज उसकी टेस्ट ड्राइव लेंगे. थोड़ी देर में मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद. ये है ना गाड़ी मतलब की. Man, this is beauty. V10. V10. Look at the colors, man. It's the beast.
Hey guys, we're here to test drive an S5. Really fast.
So this is Jerry, my buddy. So we're here to try drive Audi S5, the fast one. So साथ में रहना, we'll enjoy.
You know, the S4 is like that too. It's small and
So ये वाली गाड़ी जो है हम टेस्ट ड्राइव करेंगे अभी.
my back to it. That's not one. It's gonna loosen the steering and soften up the suspension.
And that's all done by the drive side.
And I can see that you can customize it too if you want to. If you want a stiffer steering wheel, softer ride. Does it do anything with the mapping of the acceleration?
Engine or steering.
Okay.
Do this, man. Let's do this.
Boy, sounds pretty. Sounds pretty.
Sound is super sexy.
So we gotta be gentle here.
Oh boy! Close your window.
Oh yeah, I fit in it too. The seat feels good. Got a little acceleration.
Big enough for you, man?
Oh yeah. Let's put it in sport dynamic.
And here we're testing Audi S5 2023. Yeah.
Let's go this way. See if we can find a nice straightaway. Oh, the back window's open too. How does this close?
There you go.
It's not automatic. This is a do. See if maybe there's enough space for us to hit some gas. I like that the interface is touch screen. You can reach it really easy.
Yeah.
In the Acura it sucks. You have
So
to do
right
this little
now
thing over here.
we at the sport mode, yeah?
Well, I'm on the most aggressive mode right now. So it's sport dynamic, and then
Okay.
there's dynamic, and then there's regular auto. So
Okay.
right now I have it on the most aggressive. That's why it's shaking so much.
So अभी गाड़ी जो है शेक कर रही है इस वक्त. मोस्ट अग्रेसिव मोड पे जो है गाड़ी है. So जो सबसे ज़्यादा स्पीड और हॉर्स पावर देगी, तो उस पे अभी उस मोड पे गाड़ी को हम टेस्ट करेंगे. Here we go. यार आप लोगों को साउंड आवाज़ नहीं आ रही होगी
Oh my
गाड़ी की,
God,
पर
you
हम
hear
लोग जो
that?
फील कर रहे हैं. I wish you guys can feel this.
Oh my god! I wish there was no cars. I really wish there was no cars in front of me.
There's a traffic time too, so.
I'll find a nice straight place to.
I love the red color, man.
Yeah, isn't it nice?
Oh, Zillow, nice.
But if you do pick this car, do not take the black.
No, I'm gonna do dark
We're
gray
gonna,
or,
we're gonna stay with the same
or
color.
silver. Yeah. What I have.
तो हम लोगों ने कलर जो है ऑनलाइन पे जाकर पिक कर लिया था. That was a dark bluish color, sporty look and all that. Because ये जो गाड़ी है, this car should have some sporty color. जो इसकी
Definitely. Black is too dark.
It's
You're
too
not-
boring too. In this car.
It's gonna look like every other
Yeah,
car on the road.
yeah.
Every other car. Plus, on top of that, if you scratch it even a little bit, you can see it from a mile away.
Absolutely.
A mile away. blue,
Yep.
silver, grays.
Yeah.
You could scratch a little bit, nobody will know.
Sporty color, yep.
Yeah. And you know in New York they're gonna scratch your car a little bit.
Absolutely.
Forget it. It's gonna happen at any.
I don't know about that.
That's a
but
Porsche Panamera.
Yeah.
He's got. Oh no, he's got the sport package on it.
he got
Forget
sport
it.
pack. We tried to race this guy, but no, we pass. तो ये बराबर में जो गाड़ी जा रही है पोर्शे जा रही है GTS, तो वो इससे भी थोड़ी फास्ट है. वो हमारी गाड़ी को देख रहा है, हम उसकी गाड़ी देख रहे हैं. रेस का मूड हो रहा है, पर ना, we pass him.
No. Oh man.
You can smoke any of these cars right there.
Anything in front of me, I can smoke.
Yeah.
To the right, no way.
Nah. Maybe this one, the S6, you maybe have a chance. That's what I'm saying. You're gonna stuck here for a long time.
Yeah, this is nothing but traffic here.
There you go.
We're ready?
There you go. Park it. Here, guys. Hear the sound. Wow.
This is as fast as this car shifts the gears.
Yep.
Plus, it knows when to change it. It knows wrong like this.
Oh, this guy is not gonna move, man. He's gonna
not
stay
move.
with the
It's
road.
gonna stay stiff. So if I do this,
Oh my God! Yo, this is sick.
if I do that, it's not gonna let the tail go out.
Yo, did you see that? How the girl fucking hold the ground? Oh my God! Now you're talking dirty, man.
This is gonna be ugly. Can you imagine me driving out to Patchogue?
Oh,
40 miles, and how long do you think it'll take me to drive it?
20 minutes.
20 minutes, right? Yeah, right on red, right?
Feel it. Feel the red light. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Should we keep it or should we take it back right
We
now?
don't feel like to go back, man. We're gonna keep drive. Let's take the turn.
Which one, right here?
Yeah.
Oh my God, look how soft that is. Look how soft that is.
तो यार ये गाड़ी का इतना मज़ा आया. इज़ अ सुपर कूल कार, सुपर फास्ट. इसकी जो ग्रिप है, जो टर्न करने में जो ग्रिप रहती है, ये शेक नहीं होती है. आई मीन यू कैन गो प्रीटी फास्ट. और जिसको हॉर्स पावर है, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 400 हॉर्स पावर.
445. 449 horsepower.
449.
And you know Audi always lies, so there's
And
at
Audi-
least 25 more horsepower on it.
Yep, जैसे
At
कह रहा
least.
है. Yep, जैसे कह सही. That's true. Audi always lie. 449 इनके पेपर पे है, but realistically I would say 475.
At least.
So-
But they do that on purpose so that they could save money on the taxes when they're importing it in.
Absolutely.
Because they charge you for the horsepower
Yep.
on the engine. So that's why they do that. So when they're importing it, they do it so that they can save money bringing it in. So they
Yep.
can't tell the truth.
So 475 in stock जो है super fast. तो इसको lightly मत लेना.
And look how messed up this road is. And it feels like I'm driving over nothing.
You
Like
don't feel no bumps or anything. Yeah.
brakes are so nice.
This one is 60 something.
This would be 65, I believe, 64.
Okay. तो ये $64,000, $65,000 की गाड़ी है. Dollars.
You know, there really is nothing like driving a really good car. It really is nothing. Look
I
at
mean,
that.
you gotta
Look at that
enjoy the
turn.
car, man.
Did you see that turn?
Yep. Like nothing.
Effortless.
Effortless. That's right.
Oh my God. I didn't slow down. I just let go of the gas and I let it go around the corner by itself.
But for the same time, who don't know how to drive, this could be a killer machine,
Yes,
man.
you can definitely
kill
destroy
yourself.
your life easily
Yep.
if you don't know how to drive.
Absolutely.
Luckily, I know how to drive.
Nah, not moved on that, man.
I'm not gonna be that crazy, right?
Nope.
There's too many cars around. But if it was on the highway, forget it. Put me on a motorway, that's it, or a closed track. I could definitely see. But you could actually feel that they took this car to the Nürburgring, and they had an office there strictly dedicated to this car. They were there for 6 months testing the agility and handling of this car for 6 whole months in Germany, in the Nürburgring. So you could definitely feel the, look at this. You could feel the quality in the wheel, the quality in the suspension. It's all there. It's all there. And for a big guy like me, look at this. I fit. You could still sit behind me.
Honestly, I'm amazed, man. I wasn't thinking, I don't know, but no.
I got
It's
tons of space.
perfect size. Yep.
I got tons of space.
A3, yeah, is a cool car too, but
A3
nah,
is
it's
way
gonna tight
too
for
small
you.
for me. Yeah.
No
Even
way.
these sports seats, I mean, I can lean all the way back. Look at this.
तो उसके सेम टाइम जैसे किसने बताया कि ये गाड़ी से बहुत सारे लोग अपनी
I
जान
put
भी ले
it in
सकते हैं.
dynamic.
It's too fast.
Let's see how it feels in dynamic.
पर हम दोनों एक ही खोपड़ी के हैं भाई स्पीड में. So we love this kind of cars, of course, yes.
So have you told your?
So Jerry just want to do some different subject which is regarding about as far how we drive in New York. So New York में drive कैसी rough and tough होती है कुछ इलाके में. Jerry, tell me about the drive, man. New York style.
Driving in New York. Well, I'm going to put it to you like this: if you can learn to drive in New York, you can drive in any country in this world, any country, because there's people zooming in and out of your lanes. There's people not using turn signals. I think in certain parts of the country where they use those little tuk-tuks, where there's like a 25 of them on the road at the same time, that might be more difficult than driving in New York. Might be. Manhattan, forget it. If you're going to Manhattan, be prepared to have your car hit. There's no way you can go into Manhattan and not have your car hit if you don't know how to drive.
Yep.
If you know how to drive, you might be able to avoid it, but forget it. If you look at a taxi cab in Manhattan, every single one of them has a ding, a dent, a scratch, a fender falling off. They got 3 different colors on them. They're not all yellow. Don't let the movies fool you. They have splotches on them. It's not going to be perfect.
Yep, यहाँ पर driving इतनी easy नहीं है. If you are a good driver.
Yeah, but in this area, it's not so bad. It's a really nice
Yep.
upscale area. So,
Oh, this is close to a Lake Success, brother.
no, we're going up to Port Washington.
Oh, Port Washington, okay.
Port
But I was
Washington.
coming through the Lake Success, that also
See, this is Plandome.
planned down,
So
yeah.
Plandome is millionaire man Plandome.
Planned down. तो यहाँ पर जो है सारे millionaires के जो mansion house, so beautiful luxury homes हैं, जहाँ से हम लोग गुजर रहे हैं. We're looking for the right road, man.
We will, once all these cars are gone, there's a little strip at the end that's always empty, so we'll be able to hit it there. And mind you, I took it off of sport. I only have regular dynamic, and it still sounds beautiful. So when I got the car, you know how many miles were on it? For gasoline, it was set 180 miles. Now it's down to 165. So we did
Wow.
three speed tests, and it lost what, 15 miles, just like that in 3 speed tests. That was it. That's all it took.
Now imagine R8.
That just breathes gasoline. Oh, look at the police saying good morning. Hello, sir.
Police सामने से निकल
Hello,
गया
Mr.
है.
Officer.
Is he coming behind us?
We're not doing anything wrong, Mr. Officer. We're being good citizens.
अब पुलिस नजर आ गई तो हम लोग slow हो गए.
No. We're being good people.
We are good people, man. We don't even
Yeah,
know
we
how
are
to
good
drive
people.
fast.
Yes, you're right. You said it better. We are good people. Please don't pull us over.
That's it, man. Audi's Audi, man. No doubt. आगे निकलेगा, भूल गया हमें गाड़ी वापस भी करनी है भाई.
Well, think about
Yeah,
it.
we already forget about it. We have to return this car, right?
Well, no. I want you to understand something. They gave us a $65,000 car, and all they
Absolutely.
got is a picture of my driver's license.
Yep.
That's all they did. Here,
Yep.
there's a license plate in the back. Go have fun. Bring it back in a couple minutes.
Yep. Yes, sir.
So these are the 2 yacht clubs in this.
Yo, I know this restaurant other side too.
No. Oh, there is
Yes,
one all
yes,
the way down
yeah,
there.
I came there.
All the way. So down this right here, you can go down here. There's a really nice. If you step on the gas the wrong way, it's going to rip your muscles off your face,
Yep.
just like that. So Mike Tyson and this are exactly the same. Chill, but they could kill you.
Man, this is it.
I was gonna thinking of looking at the Cadillac
Nah.
CTS-V, the one with the Corvette engine.
Great car, but it's still the shape, man. I mean,
No, this.
nah,
this
this is a different ballgame.
See, this is the kind of car you could drive to the Hamptons in. You could go to Manhattan.
Yep.
You know, you're gonna show up somewhere and it's gonna look really, really. I hate to use this word, classy, right?
I wish we should have had Beverly Hills here.
God.
We're gonna take this car for a long drive, man. Couple hours drive.
Well, now I'm gonna be thinking about this car till I get it. This is why they do that. They let you fall in love with it. That way, when you go back into the dealership, they know that you're in love with the car, and they're like, all right, you're gonna pay whatever we tell you to pay.
And they're not gonna text us or call us. They want you to keep driving.
Yeah, go ahead.
Because they know the more you're gonna drive this car, it's almost a done deal.
Yep.
Almost a done deal.
Yep. Keep it longer. Go ahead. Stay there. Stay there. You've been gone for what? 20 minutes? 30 minutes, right?
25 minutes.
Should go back before they report.
Oh shit!
That was 60 right there. That was 60 right there.
Yo, this is gonna be even more faster when you go open highway. Oh boy. I can get to Niagara Falls in around 5 hours.
You know, the thing is, man, it's getting around the cars. That's the part. And remember, it's not speed that kills. Speed doesn't kill you. It's the sudden stopping that kills you.
Yep.
If you stop if something stops you as you're going really fast, that's what kills you, not the speed itself.
Fridays.
Oh, who are these two guys? Let's destroy that.
Yep. What's the funny thing gonna happen? Once you get this car, I'm getting a text. Hey Sal, I'm not feeling well today, so I'm gonna show up. तो यहाँ से हमने ये गाड़ी पिक की है. ये है Audi डीलर जहाँ से गाड़ी टेस्ट ड्राइव की है हमने. तो अभी जा रहे हैं इस गाड़ी को वापस करने के लिए. Yep, we did. मज़ा आ गया यार, मज़ा आ गया. So most likely he's gonna get this car. पर ये कलर में नहीं, हमने कलर ऑलरेडी पिक किया हुआ है. बताऊंगा बाद में जब ये ले लेगा कौन सा कलर है. Look how big this car is.
That is
That's
huge.
perfect, man. Wow. तो अभी हो यह रहा है कि जेरी जो है वो अंदर है, मैं अभी बाहर आया हूँ. तो गाड़ी की जो प्राइस मैंने आपको थोड़ी सी पहले बताई थी, जो मॉडल उसको लेना है Audi S5, वो स्टिकर प्राइस है $65,000 की. ठीक है. तो जेरी क्या करता है, वो लीज करता है. ठीक है. लीज मीन्स कि अभी भी उसके पास जो वॉल्वो है, दैट आल्सो रियली कूल कार. एवरी 36 मंथ उसकी लीज जब एक्सपायर होती है तो उसको गाड़ी टर्न वापस करनी पड़ती है, फिर नया मॉडल लेना पड़ता है. ठीक है. तो इस तरह आप हर 3 साल बाद आप नई गाड़ी चलाते हो. तो अभी Audi वॉल्वो जो उसके पास है, उसको वो वापस उसके टाइम होने के लिए सिर्फ 2 महीने रह गए, तो ही कैन रिटर्न दैट कार. और उसको मैंने कन्विंस किया था यार Audi ले इस दफ़ा, इसलिए मैंने Audi पहले रख चुका हूँ. सो आई नो अबाउट Audi. तो मैंने उसको कन्विंस किया और अभी आज जैसा आपने देखा हमने टेस्ट ड्राइव की और ही इज़ सुपर हैप्पी. तो पर उसकी जो पेमेंट आ रही है मंथली, जो उसके ऊपर आ रही है उस गाड़ी के ऊपर, वो पेमेंट आ रही है ऑलमोस्ट $937. ठीक है. मंथली इसको चार्जेस करेंगे ये Audi वाले उस गाड़ी के लिए अगले 3 इयर्स तक के लिए. फिर उसको गाड़ी फिर वापस करनी पड़ेगी, फिर नया मॉडल. तो दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स. लीज वर्सेस फाइनेंस. ठीक है. पर अभी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि गाड़ियाँ स्टॉक में नहीं है, स्पेशली जो ये हाई एंड इस वक्त Audi, Beamer, बहुत सारे मॉडल्स जो हैं स्टॉक में होते नहीं हैं. तो जो कलर हमें पसंद आ रहा है वो अगले 4 से 6 महीने तक के लिए अवेलेबल नहीं है. अभी भी वो जर्मन में है, तो उसको आने में भी 4 से 6 महीने लगेंगे. तो ही इज़ वर्किंग आउट द नंबर्स एंड द कलर्स. मोस्ट लाइकली गाड़ी मिल जाएगी, भले थोड़े टाइम के बाद मिले पर मिल जाए. तो अब तक की ये थी अपडेट. उम्मीद करता हूँ अब तक जो अपने ये छोटा सा मेरा व्लॉग है, छोटा दिन काफ़ी बड़ा हो गया ये, इसलिए हम छोटी सी टेस्ट ड्राइव के लिए हम बहुत दूर निकल गए थे, वापस आने का मूड नहीं कर रहा था. सो वी हैड फन, ब्लास्ट. दैट कार इज सुपर कूल, सुपर फास्ट. उसी तरह जितनी लग्जरी भी है उतनी फास्ट भी है. तो ऑब्वियसली रोकड़ा भी तो वैसी है फिर. $65K US dollar, that's a lot of money, पर every penny worth it for that car. साथ में रहो, आगे देखते हैं क्या. So this is it, man. Finally he made it mine. So what is it, man?
It's definitely going to be the S5 that we
Okay.
test drove, but I just have to bring the wife. You know, she's
All
the
right,
one with
that's
the money.
cool.
No, actually, you know, she's going to drive this a lot going to Manhattan, so we have to make sure that she could drive it. It's not too powerful for her. For me, it's perfect. We just have to make sure that she puts the
It
okay
takes
on it.
roughly about 2 months.
I won't see, if I do the car even today, I won't see it till June. So
June is
June is right around the corner. So and our anniversary is July 4th, so that's perfect. So I'm surprised
And
with the
also,
car.
just to let you know, he loves Indian food. He loves.
Absolutely.
What's your favorite dish, man?
Chicken korma.
Chicken korma.
Chicken korma. Oh, or chana masala with some garlic naan.
Oh my
Or some
god.
biryani. Oh,
Yummy.
the whole thing. The whole thing. I'll even eat it with my hand too, just like they do at home. I was like, oh,
Yo, we're gonna go one day together in the Indian joint.
Jackson Diner?
Oh yeah.
Jackson
that.
Diner. I want to go to Jackson
We'll do
Diner.
that.
Oh, they're moving. You know that, right?
Where to?
They're moving across the street. They're moving. They were there for like 40 years, and now they're moving across the street. So
Okay.
we got to go.
The one we just driving around.
We're in Port Washington.
Yeah.
Port Washington.
You gotta go to that Indian joint too.
Is it good?
Oh yeah. तो यार अब इस वीडियो को मैं यहीं पर फिनिश करता हूँ। आज का दिन बड़ा मजेदार गया, बड़ा चटपटा गया। आप लोग पता है गाड़ियों का मैं बहुत दीवाना हूँ और जहाँ पर स्पीड का काम है वहाँ मैं कैसे ना हूँ, कैसे हो सकता है। तो ये था अपना बड़ी, अपना बड़ा ही अच्छा दोस्त। इसको इंडियन खाने भी बड़े पसंद है, थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी भी सिखा रहा हूँ मैं इसको साथ साथ। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम इसको लेके जाऊँगा इंडियन स्टोर, वहाँ पर थोड़ा सा चिल करेंगे। गाड़ी फाइनलाइज हो गई है, बट ये बस सिर्फ भी अपनी वाइफ को सैटरडे ला के जस्ट टू बी फाइनलाइज थिंग। 1.5 से 2 महीने में गाड़ी डिलीवर हो जाएगी। जब गाड़ी डिलीवर हो जाएगी तो सबसे पहले अपून चलाएगा। मैं चलाऊंगा, बिल्कुल चलाऊंगा, क्यों चलाएंगे यार, इज अ कूल बडी। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अब यहाँ फिनिश करते हैं इस वीडियो को यहीं पर। फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट जर्नी में, नेक्स्ट स्टोरी में। उस टाइम तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखना, अपनी फैमिली का ख्याल रखना, दोस्तों का ख्याल रखना। मिलेंगे फिर एक नई स्टोरी में। टिल देन, पीस एंड लव यू ऑल, बाय।